Good morning. What if I told you the key to boundless energy, sharp mental focus, and a longer, healthier life is already inside your body? Meet NAD+, the molecule that fuels your cells, repairs your DNA, and keeps you functioning at your best. But here's the catch. As we age, NAD+ level declines. So let's explore how to optimize it and unlock the secret to longevity. NAD+ stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It is a coenzyme found in every cell of your body and acting like a helper molecule that powers essential cellular processes. Without NAD+, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. So NAD+ is essential for energy production. It helps mitochondria convert food into ATP, the fuel our cells run on. DNA repair, it activates PARPS, which fixes damaged DNA. Longevity proteins, it turns on sirtuins, the body's longevity gene, which regulates metabolism and reduces inflammation. Here's the bad news. NAD+ levels drop by about 50% by middle age and continue to decline. This leads to mitochondrial dysfunction, reduced energy, increased inflammation, and accelerated aging. But there's hope. We can restore NAD+ level through targeted strategies. Your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside cells, rely on NAD+ to generate energy. Without enough NAD+, they become sluggish, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness. Restoring NAD+ keeps your mitochondria humming efficiently. The good news, you can naturally boost NAD+ with these methods. Number 1, intermittent fasting triggers NAD+ production. Number 2, exercise increases mitochondrial function and NAD+ level. Ketogenic diet preserves NAD+ by reducing glucose reliance. Sleep and stress management reduces NAD+ depletion. Supplements that can help restore NAD+ levels include nicotinamide riboside, NR, which converts directly into NAD+. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, a more potent precursor to NAD+. Resveratrol and quercetin work synergistically to enhance NAD+ function. For a rapid NAD+ boost, some people opt for IV therapy or NAD+ injections. These deliver NAD+ directly into the bloodstream, bypassing digestions and leading to immediate benefits in energy, focus, and cellular repair. Restoring NAD+ levels can lead to better cognitive function, protects against Alzheimer's and brain fog, improved metabolic health, enhances insulin sensitivity, stronger muscles and endurance, supports athletic performance, healthier skin and DNA repair. So healthier skin and DNA repair, it fights wrinkles and cellular damages. So to get started with NAD+ optimization, follow this plan. Eat a nutrient-dense diet with healthy fats and polyphenols. Incorporate intermittent fasting and resistance training. Consider NMN or NR supplements. Optimize sleep and stress reduction. Explore IV therapy for rapid results. Consistency is key to longevity. NAD+ is one of the most powerful tools for longevity. By maintaining optimal levels, you can enhance mitochondrial function, repair DNA, and slow aging process. The best part, many strategies are simple and accessible. Are you ready to take control of your health and longevity? Want to dive deeper into longevity science and get a personalized health optimization? Join my program to learn cutting-edge biohacking strategies to maximize your lifespan. Visit thrivespanelite.com. Thank you.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.